Hi guys, so I've added you as a user trace. If you check your email, you'll be able to set your own password there. And then what you need to do is you need to go to your domain name in any internet browser, obviously. displaydesigns.net /WP admin. Then when you're on the login page, just use your credentials to log into the dashboard. Click remember me if it's obviously a private PC and you're okay with that. Make sure when you set your password that it is really secure, or else your website may get hacked, and we don't want that. So once you log into the dashboard, so the first thing I'll show you is obviously how to edit the text. So the most simple task. So you just come up to the top left, visit site, and on any page, so if you want to edit the Lumineon page, you would visit that page and then you would click on edit page. Make sure that the page builder is active and it looks like this, and as you'll see the different text blocks that are obviously through each page. Now what I will say is, obviously if we look at this, because it might take a couple of weeks to get used to the dashboard and the way the page builder is laid out, but as you can see, the text is pretty easy to obviously figure out. So always make sure that you open the link in a new tab, and then it will give you the two tabs that you can just click between. That's the easiest way. So editing the text areas is really easy. You just click the pencil, and it's a drag and drop editor. Always make sure that the visual tab is selected and not the text tab, because this has the code in there. So always make sure that it's the visual tab is selected, and it's as simple as, it's like a Word document really. You can edit all the text there. So obviously there's bold options and the different size of headers as well. After every change that you do, obviously make sure you click Save Changes and then Update. In terms of editing the images, as you can see, you should be able to figure out where each image lies in the order of the page builder. What I will say is, don't touch anything that looks like this with code in it. You can always email me, as you know, with any other questions or anything like that. But yeah, if you look at the page builder, you should be able to kind of figure out where the buttons are and stuff. And you will get used to it the more you use it. Don't worry too much about ruining the website, because it is all backed up and we can just restore it if you do mess it up. But just try to not touch any code and you'll be fine. So that's how you edit the text. In terms of the internal pages, so we'll just go to the internal signage page. In terms of editing these images here, again, click edit page and you should be able to figure it out. So that's the main image. These are the gallery images that we've just seen. All you need to do to edit these is click on the box, click the pencil. If you want to add any more images in here, you just click add to gallery and then upload from your PC. Bear in mind that it is a 5-column gallery, so if you are to keep it uniformed, it would be nice to add another 5 images underneath. But adding 2 or 3 it's not going to obviously ruin the website. It just won't be lined up. Again, click Save Changes and Update. and obviously you can check the changes live direct. So to edit the input boxes, the drop down accordion boxes, all you do is open up whichever one you want to edit. I mean, you're never really going to edit these, are you, to be honest? But if you did want to, just hover over the text, and again, pencil, and then the text. Make sure the visual tab's selected, and save any changes by clicking Save Changes and Update. That's pretty much it really on your website, isn't it? Obviously, this is a video, so you're not going to edit that. The blog post. So to add a new blog post, you just go to the dashboard, click on your posts, add new, and obviously you just type the title in here, the text of the blog post here, select which category you want it to go into. If you want a new category, you can obviously just add a new category there. Really easy. Forget about the tags, they're not really relevant anymore. And then set the featured image for the blog post. That's the image that will show on the home page and throughout the site wherever the blog post section is placed. Again, click publish, and it will go into the database, and it's all set up to view on the home page to show the most recent one. Obviously there's not one there now because I didn't add that one. What else was there? Not the company news. Get in touch page. You're not really going to have to edit that. The form's obviously coded, so you're not going to change that. You're not going to change the map. But again, if you wanted to change the text, it's just edit page, and then you'll see in the page builder where you can edit. So hopefully that makes sense. If there's anything else that you need, just give us a shout and I'll be happy to help. Cheers, guys.